Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, you're going to talk about on how to see your favorite on ClickUps. Maybe on the other day, you added task to your favorite on ClickUps, so today you're going to see it, but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can see your favorite task on ClickUps. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your ClickUp application. Once you open your ClickUp application, you'll be directed into your home page. And you'll see below the notification icon, search icon, and the dotted icons. For this tutorial, you need to tap on these three lines at the upper left corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you'll see here below the home, notification, favorites, spaces, dashboards, and docs. For this tutorial, to see your favorites and ClickUp, simply tap on this favorites button. And as you can see, we have here one task that is favorites. Simply tap on that task. There you go. If you want to know on how to see your favorite task on ClickUps, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to see your favorite task on ClickUps, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.